In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the Lightroom Classic catalog is in use error. If Lightroom refuses to open your catalog and says it's already in use or locked, the most common cause is a leftover lock file. Lightroom creates a tiny lock file to protect your catalog while it's open, and if Lightroom crashes or doesn't close cleanly, that file can stick around. We're going to safely remove it so you can get back to work. First, make sure Lightroom Classic is completely closed. Don't just close the window, confirm the app isn't still running in the background. On Windows, check Task Manager and end any Lightroom processes. On macOS, look in Activity Monitor and quit Lightroom if it's still active. It's important that Lightroom is fully shut down before you proceed. Next, locate your catalog folder. By default, on Windows, it's in your User Pictures folder inside a folder named Lightroom. On macOS, it's also in your User Pictures folder in a Lightroom folder. If you keep your catalog somewhere else, go to that location instead. If you're not sure where it is, you can search your computer for files ending in .lrsat, which is the actual catalog file. Open that folder and look for a file that ends with .lrsat.lock. It will have the same name as your catalog and then .lrcat.lock at the end. If you see files ending in .lrcat.locked.wall or .lrcat.lock.shm, those are related temporary files. Delete the .lrsat.lock file, and also delete the .lrcat.lock.wall and .lrsat.lock.shm files if they're present. Do not delete the .lrcat file itself. That's your catalog. And don't touch your previews folders. You're only removing the lock and its temporary companions. Once the lock files are gone, relaunch Lightroom Classic. It should open your catalog normally without the error. If Lightroom asks which catalog to open, select your .lrcat file from the same folder. A couple of quick tips. If this problem happens often, it usually means Lightroom isn't closing properly. Give it a few seconds to finish writing changes before shutting down your computer. Avoid keeping your catalog on a network drive or inside a syncing cloud folder that might interfere with file locks. It's also a good idea to keep regular catalog backups so you're covered in case of a crash. And that's it. By fully closing Lightroom, navigating to your catalog folder, deleting the .lrcat.lock file, and any related temporary lock files, and then restarting Lightroom, you can clear the catalog is in use error and get back to editing.